Put some more grip tape on the grip here, just because this is so narrow. It's sometimes hard for me to put a lot of good pressure because it's so thin. So I made it a little bit thicker. I think it's working out. It feels a little bit better. So let's see. Bring it in here. Let's try some more transitions with the pistol. Too bad it's in concealment, because if I had outside the waistband, it would be much better, but fuck it, right? I guess I should warm up before I fucking do this, but hey!
Steady, go!